play beginning sound and letter match? What we're going to do is name the picture, then stretch out the word, listening for the beginning sound. Then we're going to name the letter that makes that sound. For example, say cow. Now stretch it out. Cow. What sound do you hear at the beginning? What letter makes that sound? Did you say the letter C? Good job. The letter C makes the K sound. Now let's write the letter C in the air. Get your magic finger. Start at the top. Curve around like a C. That's the capital C. Now let's do the lowercase c. Start at the middle line. Curve around like a C. Nice work matching the beginning sound with the letter. Let's continue to play. Say the word boat. Now stretch out the word and listen for the beginning sound. B, b, boat. What sound do you hear at the beginning of boat? B. What letter makes that sound? Did you say the letter B? That's right. The letter B makes the B sound. Now let's use our magic finger and trace the letter B in the air. Start at the top, down, up, around, around. That's the capital B. Now let's trace the lowercase b. Top, down, up, around. That's the lowercase b. Say the word game. Now stretch out the word and listen to the beginning sound. G, g, game. Do it with me. G, g, game. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word game? Did you say G? That's right. Now, what letter makes the G sound? Did you say the letter G? You got it. The letter G makes the G sound. Now let's trace the letter G in the air. Get your magic finger. Start at the top, curve around like a C, and in. That's the capital G. Now trace the lowercase g. Start at the middle line. Curve around like a C, up, hook left. That's the lowercase g. And remember, the G makes the G sound. Say the word which. Now say the word which and listen to the beginning sound. W, w, which. Say it with me. W, w, which. What sound do you hear at the beginning of which? Did you say w? That's right. What letter makes that sound? Did you say W? You are right. The letter W makes the W sound. Now let's trace the W in the air. Get your magic finger. Let's start with the capital W. Start at the top. Slant down, up, down, up. Now let's trace the lowercase w. Start at the middle line. Slant down, up, down, up. That's the lowercase w. And what sound does W make? W, like in which. Say the word teeth. Now stretch out the word and listen to the beginning sound. T, t, teeth. Say it with me. T, t, teeth. What sound did you hear at the beginning of teeth? Did you say t? That's right. And what letter makes that sound? Did you say the letter T? You're right. The letter T makes the T sound in the beginning of teeth. Now let's trace the letter T in the air. Get your magic finger. We'll start with the capital T. Start at the top, straight down, across the top. Now the lowercase t. Top, down, across the middle. That's the lowercase t. And what sound does the letter T make? T, t, like in teeth. Say the word soap. Now stretch out the word soap and listen to the beginning sound. S, s, soap. Say it with me. S, s, soap. What sound did you hear at the beginning of soap? Did you say s? That's right. And what letter makes the s sound? Did you say the letter S? You got it. The letter S makes the S sound. Now let's trace the letter S in the air. Get your magic finger. We'll start with the capital S. Start at the top. Curve around like a snake. Now the lowercase s. Start at the middle line. Curve around like an S. Like a snake. Nice job. The letter S makes the S sound like in soap. Give yourself a round of applause.